is all you're going to need for some lovely crunchy brie bites. An egg, some lovely brie of course, corn flour and some breadcrumbs. I like panko because they're really crunchy, but you can use normal breadcrumbs or cornflakes crushed up, anything that gives you a crunch. The first thing we're going to do is cut the brie. Cut it as large or as small as you like. I like little bite-sized chunks. Once you've got your brie, cut into little chunks, rind and all, don't worry, you can eat the rind, it is edible. Then you're going in to some corn flour, make sure it's covered, into an egg that you've mixed up, and then into your breadcrumbs. Now the thing about brie is, because it's so creamy, I'm going to double dip it. So breadcrumbs back into your egg again, and then back in to your breadcrumbs to try and stop any of the creamy brie emptying out into your fryer. Once you've got your oil up to temperature, either in a deep fat fryer or a pan with some oil in, it wants to be around the same temperature that you cook chips or fries at. Then you're just going to place these little tasty delights in, and you're going to cook for around 2 or 3 minutes until they're lovely golden brown. Once they're fried, out the pan, onto some kitchen cloth for a bit of extra drainage. Let them cool down a bit, and then enjoy a really crunchy, delicious, cheesy treat.